If you hold XRP, then I think we need to talk about this insane price action. So for the past few weeks, I've been calling the breakout of our descending wedge, which we finally saw the first signs of it yesterday morning, leading up to the White House meeting with crypto executives. And then stacked on top of that meeting with some of the regulatory guidance by the CFTC and SEC on account of the Clarity Act not being passed yet. Now, most other projects, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all up like 4 to 5%. We've gotten a 20%, actually over 20% pump with XRP today alone. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on behind the scenes, but like I said before, breakouts to the upside of these descending wedges typically happen about 70% of the time. So really, this move was imminent. It's not over yet. With moves this hard, you can imagine a lot of people are going to be putting in long positions, betting on continuation of the upside. So there's a very high chance that we're going to see a big wick down to clear out some of those long positions, take out that liquidity. But as of current, we have already passed the initial levels of resistance that I pointed out before at around $1.16, and then we had $1.25 and $1.30. That range right there is what I'm looking to close above today. So if we can get a daily closed candle above this range right here that I have highlighted in yellow, there's not a whole lot of resistance between there and $1.50. So that would be my next point of interest to be looking at. But other than that, guys, we've been waiting very patiently for an exciting day in the markets like this. So anybody accumulating around that dollar range, congratulations, you're getting some good gains right now. This does not mean that we cannot make a lower low. I do want to make that clear. I told you my perspective, my opinion was that the bottom was in. I still believe that. But the higher this goes, the harder it's going to be to put in that lower low between now and October. And the Clarity Act has to have a vote in mid-September next month, less than a month away. So who knows? This might be anticipating legal clarity coming into the market. And I'm sure that you feel the same way I do in hoping that this is just the beginning of a very long utility cycle. That's all I got for you. See you later.